I don't like this. The Papa Pizzeria is here. Be careful. Hintayin ko man na itong bata na to. Mayroong bear trap. Be careful. Pwede pong hawakan mo. Baka mahuli. Oh, tulungan mo ko. Alam yan. Papa Pizzeria. Paano lang? Di ko alam. Please, Papa Pizzeria. Baka kailangan mag-escape ako dito. Baka the crazy chef is going to catch me. Kaya dyan, ano ka nang... Ayoko. Harang. Ano ba ito? Pizza. Follow the pizzas, okay? Follow the pizzas, just like him. Be careful, there's a crazy chef. Come on. You're almost there. You made it! Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for saving. That was hello. I made it soon. Ew, it's so dirty. Ew. It's so dirty in here, right? Look, it's so dirty. Help me escape from this crazy. It's so I'm almost there. No. I want it. Hopefully, yes. There's a poison water. No. Let's see. Hopefully. Dun is coming. Bakit ganun yung head niya? Tumadapa siya eh. Hindi siya tumitingin eh. Nabali. Tingnan mo, nabali. Nabali yung ulo ni Papa Pizzeria. Nabali na sa bathroom. Hinihintay ka na nabali. Don't touch the cobweb. Wait lang. Teka lang. Nasaboy. Teka lang. Ew. Tignan mo yung ni Papa Pizzeria. Nabali yung ulo. Nabali yung ulo. Napagod. I'm almost there. Okay, I'm here. Don't touch the pressure plate. Don't touch it. Don't touch the spikes. Careful not to touch the pressure plate. I'm almost there. Yes, I made it. I didn't touch the pressure plate. If we step on the pressure plate, the spikes will activate, right? I don't know. Prank mo na yun. Nakakan mo tapos para mag-place. Ayoko. Baka matamaan ako ng mga spike. Hindi, tatakbo ko. We need to escape from this pizzeria. There's even a crazy chef in here. If we don't escape from this pizzeria, she'll turn us to pizza and eat it. And she'll turn us into pizza if she got to chase us and bring the people. He's here. Get to the vent. Oh. Get into the... Bigla kami dyan si Mama yung madadat. Huwag ka lang tumingin. Ayaw ka tumingin. Oo, ganito na lang ako. Nasaan ba ang daan? Hindi ko alam kung saan ang daan. Saan na? Dun sa right. Pumunta ka dun sa gilid. Apo, doon. Puro mo sa akin, hindi ko alam kung saan. escape. Avoid those lasers. Find the probe. Check. Let's go. Mira. Yes, okay. Go. Right away. Bagal naman itong elevator. Hindi ko na-cut. Nabali yung ulo ni Papa Bigari, ano? Nabali. Nabali talaga. I hear something. No! No! There's spikes! There's spikes! Help me! Help! 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 Paano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung paano. Kailangan hindi ko natamaan ng spike. Ayun na, I just... Okay, ako na. Ganun eh. So, help me. Saan? Ito? Paano ba to? This is too hard. Hop on. Doon this way. Hop on. Okay. Naka. And to make that jump. Yeah. Almost escaped. Wait lang. Ay! Nadraan ako. Ano pala yun? Dito. Okay. Exit. Dun. Almost. Run home. Oh no. Kunin mo muna doon yun sa baba. Dali. Yung wallet ko, yung kulay pink. Dali, nandun sa tingin. May bigay mo nga kaya nila yung wallet na pink. Yun. May kita lang ako na. Tulog na tayo, tulog na. Tara, hindi matulog, Bili. Tabi kayo ni Amira. Naka-skip na ako sa pizzeria. Pero meron pang nangahabol dito. Hindi pa tapos? Apo, hindi pa tayo tapos. Run home quickly, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. Here. So we just need to run home back because the bigs.
Nasaan na home?
We need to go straight. There's be careful. Papa's Pizzeria is there.
Mali. Again?
Dapat yung...
Saan? Saan na? Dito? Wala, sarado.
Hello? Ay, nandito.
Saan?
Finally escape.
Skip na?
Opo. Tapos na? Yay! 14, 15. Yes.
Magbabay ka na sa mga subscribers mo. Magbabay ka na sa subscribers mo.
Bye-bye.